Dear students, now let us see the concept of adapter. The intent of the adapter is to convert the interface of a class into another interface of another class. Adapter lets classes work together that couldn't otherwise because of the incompatible interfaces. This means that adapter pattern converts the interfaces of one class into another interface that a client wants. In other words, to provide the interface according to client requirement while using the services of a class with a different interface. And adapter pattern is also known as the wrapper. The thing is that the adapter pattern is going to compatible between the incompatible classes here. Suppose one class is going to send the information to another class. If those two classes are incompatible with each other, it is going to create the compatible environment in between them so that they can interact with each other. Advantages of the adapter patterns are it allows two or more incompatible objects to interact. Objects means classes only. An object is an instance of the class so that it is going to create a compatible environment in between the classes to interact. It allows reusability of the existing functionality. The thing is that by using the concept of inheritance, one class can able to acquire the features of the another class here by using the concept of inheritance. When an object needs to utilize an existing class with a incompatible interface, adapter pattern can be used when you want to create a reusable class that cooperates with the classes which don't have compatible interfaces. Adapter pattern you can also use to create a reusable class that cooperates with classes which don't have compatible interfaces. Next, let us see the applicability of this one. Use the adapter pattern when you want to use an existing class and its interface doesn't match the that you need. The thing is that if you want to use the existing class, means if you want to inherit the features of the superclass to the subclass, suppose subclass is not having the suitable interface to acquire the features of the superclass, then you can use the adapter pattern. Then adapter pattern will create the compatibility environment in between the superclass to the subclass. And you want to create a reusable class that cooperates with unrelated classes that don't necessarily have compatible interfaces, and you need to use several existing subclasses, but it's unpractical to adopt their interfaces by subclassing everyone. Here you see the uh, structure of the adapter pattern. Here you see client is going to send the information to the adaptee. Here you see client is a one class and adaptee is a another class. The client is going to send the information to the adaptee class, but those two classes are incompatible. If that is the situation, then we are going to use the adapter. Yes, here adapter is there so that it is going to create the compatibility between the client to the adapter. In this structure, we are going to have the uh, participants, target, client, adaptee, and the adapter. The adapter pattern is a structural design pattern. In the adapter pattern, the wrapper class, or you can call it as adapter, is used to translate requests from it to another class, that is the adaptee class. In effect, the adapter provides particular interactions with the adaptee that are not offered directly by the adaptee, as you see in the figure here. The thing is that here in this diagram the client is going to send the information to the adaptee, but adaptee class is not accepting the request from the client because the interface is different from the class. So that we are going to use the adapter class in between them for the conversion of one set of interface that is going to be used by the client to the adaptee class. The adapter pattern takes two forms. In the first form, class adapter utilizes inheritance. Here you see the class adapter is going to inherit the concept of inheritance. You see here target and the adaptee class. It is going to acquire the features of both adaptee and the target. The target takes the request from the client class. Target is the interface of the client here. That's it. The class adapter extends the adaptee class and adds desired method to the adapter. These methods can be declared in an interface, that is the target interface. In the second form, adapter utilizes composition. The composition means what? It is going to composite the features from target class plus adaptee class. The object adapter contains an adaptee and implements the target interface to interact with the adaptee. The thing is that it is going to provide the implementation for the conversion of the interface which is used by the client with the adaptee interface, so that adaptee and client can interact without any issues. Okay, this is an explanation of the adapter design pattern. Thank you.